consider while purchasing a new garage door is choosing your style, because the first thing you and your guests see while pulling up to your house is your garage door. So aside from providing a safe and secure entry to your garage, it can also refresh and renew the overall appearance of your property and increase the value of it. Choose the following: color, panel layout, raised, flush, or ribbed, panel design, cathedral, stockturn, or plain, and you also have the option of adding windows and decorative hardware, knockers, hinges, and handles. You can contact us by phone or by logging onto our website, which is www.ht-garagedoors.com. We look forward to hearing from you.